Energy efficiency. Electric motors convert up to 90% of the energy stored in their batteries into movement compared to just 20–30% efficiency in internal combustion engines. This makes EVs far more efficient and cost-effective in the long run. Silent operation. Electric cars are quieter than gasoline-powered vehicles, contributing to reduced noise pollution in urban areas. Lower operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts and don't require oil changes. They also save money on fuel, as electricity is typically cheaper than gasoline, and many governments offer tax incentives to encourage EV adoption. Electric cars are the future of sustainable transportation, offering significant advantages in terms of efficiency, cost, and environmental impact. At the heart of every electric car is its electric powertrain. Which includes an electric motor, battery pack, and controller. The motor powers the wheels and is responsible for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. EV motors are incredibly efficient and can provide immediate torque for quick acceleration. Battery pack. Electric vehicles are powered by lithium-ion batteries, which store the electricity needed to run the motor. Battery packs are typically located in the floor of the vehicle, lowering the center of gravity for better handling and stability. Controller. The controller is responsible for managing the flow of electricity from the battery to the motor. It adjusts the power output to ensure smooth and efficient driving, adapting to factors like acceleration, speed, and driving conditions. Charging system. To keep the battery powered, EVs must be charged. Charging can be done at home using a level 1 or level 2 charger or at public stations using DC fast chargers, which can charge the battery to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. The efficiency of electric cars comes from their electric motor, lithium-ion batteries, and advanced controller systems that work together to provide a seamless and eco-friendly driving experience.